The mother green parakeet stands in front of her nest. It seems she's the one who takes care of their baby parakeet. A parakeet family lives here. You can see their babies inside their nest. Five baby parakeets live here in the nest, but you can only see two of them. You can see that my male parakeets are very happy and ready to mate. Their favorite food is old seeds. Who likes blue? My blue parakeets are wonderful. It's not a simple bird. It's a rare bird with a rare purple spot on his body. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and give this cutie bird energy.